mga iba, tatanak-tatawag lang pa maipakita.
Yan, Saudi Gold. Ilagay mo sa reels mo, ha? Yan, bili na kayo dito sa My Friends Jewelry. Okay, yan lahat. Sa WhatsApp ko yun. Guys, ito ang nabili ni Catherine. Chain na choker. This is two color actually. Yellow and white. 18 karat Italy to guys. Do you know how much the price is? 11,960. So you can say 12,000 Hong Kong dollars. Right? So ito ang ganda guys. All price pa yan. Oh. Oh, ito pa yung bracelet niya guys. Nakalagay na dito sa kanyang box. Another price for 5,004. Total all together around 17,000. Ano, roughly ganon. Ayan. So one set na siya. Ang ganda. O, diba? Bili na kayo. Merry Christmas. O, diba? Ayan guys. So, trabaho tayo. Mag-record tayo, tapos mag-sizer tayo ng ating mga hulugan, size 21. And this one is anchor ring. Yes guys, so that's it for today. See you again on my next video. And don't forget okay, subscribe on my channel, Best Lifestyle channel. Bye for now. Good day. Bye bye.